Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and this smile on my face is because we just got to run Mercury's new V8 300 horsepower Verado. And of course we're standing on Boston Whaler's 27 Vantage, their 270 Vantage. This is dead in the middle of their dual console lineup, and this boat is a family do everything. But for those guys and girls who don't want to lose their performance and want to keep their fishing stuff, this boat is going to spread a smile across your face. You can't beat this thing. It'll run speeds approaching 60 miles an hour in a family boat, and it clearly is a family boat. It has all the room. Check out Boston Whaler's huge rear bench. It's there when you need it. Family, friends, easily 3 wide for adults, and honestly, the best spot in the house. But when you want to fish, or you want to have fun in the back of the boat, you've got as big a cockpit on as any boat in this entire class has. And it's still got all the amenities to keep family happy. This one is equipped with the slide out cooler. And of course, gotta go with the best, just like the Mercury's. We got a Yeti cooler in there. Aquarium countertop, fresh water. You've got seating everywhere. They've got storage in this boat for you. And of course, you gotta keep everyone on board happy. So a full-length lounger, you can lounge back, you can lounge facing forward with the optional rear, and there is a live well hidden under here, guys, for those of you who want to go fishing. Pop your lounger back up, you've got an easy seating for 4, and all that hides. Boston Whaler does an amazing job with their head in these boats. Corian countertops, faux teak on the floors, guys, it's gorgeous, it really is. All that is covered by a color matched hardtop. Best shade in the game, you can't beat it. We can option it with a sure shade if you want a little bit more shade out the back. And that brings us off. We get to finish with the front of this boat, which is truthfully the lounge spot of the century. There is everything from JL audio up here to chargers for your phone, tons of room for lounging. But I almost forgot one really important thing. This boat has joystick. If you want to look as cool as you possibly can around the docks, with skyhook for anchoring on your motors and joystick to make all your docking easy. Guys, this is a 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage backed with Mercury's brand new V8 300s. If you want to smile, come see us. Again, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. Guys, we'll see you soon.